kami ng show. 2:30 yung start niya kasi late na kami nakalabas eh. Panoorin namin yung show.
Walking on the bike, and also the canopy of the rainforest is wide for their food. These animals, they have sharp claws which enables them to rip. Well, the fun fact on the quad team is that their snout can bend into different angles, just like the elephant's trunk.